This summary is intended to show evaluation of some parts of working memory model, a widely used theory in psychology. Working memory model is a well-supported theory, though it is not universally accepted. It has gaps. So the theory's value could be termed mixed. Let's explore that idea a little. There is a companion video which features an outline of the working memory model and its application in psychology. This video is narrowly focused on evaluating one feature of the working memory model, which is the central executive, a key prediction of the theory. One of the key areas of discussion is the value of the central executive, a prediction made by the theory. Roughly speaking, a central area that decides what kinds of memory needs to be processed seems to fit quite large amounts of experimental evidence. But the area is not always agreed upon by experts. This is mainly because it is an internal process and hard to verify. However, the evidence sometimes supports the existence of an area similar to the central executive. Bunge et al. Reported evidence consistent with the central executive. The brain is most active when performing two tasks. In other words, more activity can be observed in brain areas when two tasks are conducted at the same time compared with one. This supports the hypothesized central executive area. However, Eslinger and Demasio's 1985 study implied that the central executive lacks experimental support and fails to explain anything. A patient referred to as EVR had brain damage and was shown to have good memory but was unable to make decisions. This is not consistent with the theory's predictions, since the central executive should act as one thing. Both decisions and memory should be affected together. So the evidence is mixed about this theory. The responses of EVR shows that there is something not quite right about the central executive idea. It is predicted that it is one store, whereas the behaviour indicates that there are at least two separate behaviours, decision-making and memory occurring. However, the theory is consistent with Bunge's study. It is consistent that different brain regions should be activated with more complex tasks. Although it is far from perfect, it is commonly used as a starting point in understanding memory function. It is probably the best general theory currently available.